In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw swing door in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll walk through a straightforward approach. First, establish the door opening and the door panel, also called the leaf, and then draw the swing arc so you can clearly show the door's travel. Start by choosing where the hinge will be, because that point determines the pivot and the location of everything else on your drawing. Pick a clear corner on the wall or jamb where the door will attach and make that your hinge point. Turning on object snaps, and a clear point marker will make placement precise. Next, draw the door leaf. You can use either the pline command if you want a custom shape, or the rectangle command for a simple rectangular panel. For a typical interior door, you might draw a panel that's 3 feet long and about 1.75 inches thick, but always use the dimensions required for your project. When you draw, be sure that one of the rectangle's corners, or one end of the polyline, coincides exactly with the hinge point you chose. That keeps the geometry clean and makes later edits easier. A quick tip is to draw on a layer dedicated to doors so you can manage line weight and visibility without disturbing surrounding geometry. Once the leaf is in place, it's time to represent the door swing with an arc. This is best done with the RC command using the Center, Start, End option. Type A and press Enter to start the command. Choose the Center, Start, End option so the hinge point will act as the center of the sweep. For the center, click the hinge point you already established. For the start point, click the corner of the leaf that sits at the opposite jamb, essentially the edge that defines the close position. For the end point, click where the door will stop when fully open. That final click defines the sweep angle and visually communicates the door's travel. As you place the arc, make sure it follows the intended rotation direction and that it's clearly visible against surrounding lines. If you need the swing to appear as a different style, you can change the arc's layer or line weight after drawing. That's it. A simple, accurate swing door that communicates both the door location and its range of motion. Follow these steps precisely, and your planned drawings will be clear and professional.